Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add yes or no in Excel. So first thing is just simply go ahead and select a cell that you would like to add a yes or no. Now just simply go for the data tab at the top over here. Now over here guys, you can just simply go for data validation over here and now go for data validation on the drop down. Now from here, you would just simply go ahead and go for any value over here and go for the list. Now here on the list, go for the source. Now here on the source, just simply type in yes and then comma no. And after that, just simply select OK. And now from here, you will have a drop down available over here. And we should be able to have a yes or no option over here. And pretty much that's it. And if you want to apply it on all cells, select this small box icon over here and should be able to have the drop down. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.